people know that I'm in Florence for the last 2 days and I had a lot of fun here. So if you people have not checked my video yet, then you can go and check it out now. So today I am moving to my next and final destination of this Euro trip, which is Rome. I'm going to Rome via train, which is like a 1.5 hours journey from here. So I'll see you in Rome. Bye. Come for local sightseeing of this place. So we have taken the facility of big bus hop on and hop off ticket. I personally find these hop on and hop off buses very easy to travel, as you can roam around the city at your own pace and convenience.
Rome, or Roma, is a historic city and capital of Italy. As legend has it, Rome was founded in 753 BC by Romulus and Remus, twin sons of Mars, the god of war. In 2019, Rome was the 11th most visited city in the world with 10.1 million tourists, the third most visited in the European Union, and the most popular tourist destination in Italy. The old adage that Rome was not built in a day and that you won't see it in 1 or even in 3 days is true. Even a lifetime isn't enough to see Rome. While I made this video to take you all to some of my favorite spots, many are inevitably omitted as we were in Rome only for 2 days.
No other city in the world is quite like Rome. It is a living, breathing museum full of art, history, and major attractions. In AD 72, the Colosseum was built as Rome's first amphitheatre and was used to host hunting spectacles and gladiatorial combats.
The Colosseum could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators at various points of its history over the centuries, having an average audience of some 65,000. After 4 centuries of active use, the magnificent arena fell into neglect, and up until the 18th century it was used as a source of building materials. By the 20th century, a combination of weather, natural disasters, neglect and vandalism had destroyed nearly 2/3 of the original Colosseum, including all of the arena's marble seats and its decorative elements. However, It is still an iconic symbol of imperial Rome and is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It is one of Rome's most popular tourist attractions and also has links to the Roman Catholic Church, as each Good Friday the Pope leads a torchlit known as Way of the Cross that starts in the area around the Colosseum.
Guys, do you know which is the smallest country in the world? It's the Vatican City in Rome. And guess what? I'm standing right there. How cool is that?
With an area of 121 acres and a population of about 825, the Vatican City is the smallest sovereign state in the world by both area and population. The Vatican Palace is the residence of the Pope within the city walls. The most imposing building is St. Peter's Basilica, built during the 4th century and rebuilt during the 16th century. It is the heart of the Vatican, the most important place for every Christian. Crowds of people gather in the piazza before the basilica to hear the blessing of the Holy Father, the Pope. It's the most magnificent Christian sacral building you'll ever see, and its sheer size will awe you. Vatican City has its own telephone system, post office, gardens, astronomical observatory, radio station, banking system, and pharmacy, as well as a contingent of Swiss guards responsible for the personal safety of the Pope since 1506. As the Holy See, it derives its income from the voluntary contributions of more than 1 billion Roman Catholics worldwide, as well as interest on investments and the sale of stamps, coins, and publications.
Guys, with this, my day has come to an end in Rome. Today I'm leaving back to India. But Rome is truly an interesting city with lots of art and history. So if you have interest in any of these, then this is the place where you should be.
Grazie.